Alright, what's good, y'all? Today, we're gonna be installing the new hybrid short shifter. Oh shit, the new hybrid short shifter. This fucking beautiful ass looking piece. God damn, this shit was not cheap, bro. This shit was like $400. Not cheap, but it is pretty sick though. Might be worth it. Who knows, but no, that shit's sick. And then it came with this too. It's pretty cool. But yeah, I mean, dude, look at this. This is the fucking stock. Look at that. Hella play. Not that bad, but still. This looks better than this, so. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, so remove the center console. It's pretty easy. It was like, what, 2... One, two, three, four bolts. I had no fucking screws. This was like a quick release fucking shit, so. But yeah, take all these screws. Alright, so you're gonna want to remove these 4 bolts. These are 12 millimeters. And then you're gonna remove this cotter pin over here. This is a 10 millimeter bolt. And then I'm pretty sure there's a clip over here to remove the cables, and then this should just pop right off. But yeah. All right, so now that I got that removed, bro, that was a bitch, bro. Oh my god, that shit was a pain in the ass. There's this clip right here, like over here on this side, and it's pretty hard to take out. Kind of had to use like these long ass pliers to like wiggle it out and all that. And then there was a clip here, like I said earlier, and you're probably gonna break it. Like, it's kind of hard to like just get it out and everything, but yeah, I kind of broke it. But you know, we're good, we're chilling, it's fine. But now we can just install the new short shifter. God damn, that took forever. Alright, so basically, I mean, it's pretty easy. You just install this here, put the washers, put the fuck are these called? I don't know, pins or whatever. Insert that, do the same over here. I had to fucking switch this, or this was over here, and then I had to like switch it and whatever. But yeah, it was pretty easy. And slide that in. It's pretty straightforward. Now I'm gonna install this, and then yeah, I'm gonna install that Mishimoto weighted shift. No, can't wait. All right, install the Mishimoto. Install this top part, and we tighten it from this side right here. But other than that, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Damn, no, this is sick. $400 for this? I'd say it's pretty worth it, not gonna lie. But yeah, that's it. Hell yeah. Thanks for watching. See ya.